Okay, so I'm making a coffee bar station, and I bought these crates from the Dollar Tree, as you can see right there. Paid $5 a piece for them. Bought 2 of these. I had 4 of these already, so I'm using those, and then I have this. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna go real quick and change this out. I didn't realize I had gotten this one. Okay, so I went and got this so it matches the other ones. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna stain these a brown color. So what I did is I took some paint, brown paint, and put some water in it, mixed it up, and so then I'm just gonna take a brush and just rub it on, paint it on. You may not like this color, that's all right. You can use any color that you want if you decide to make this your own. So I'm gonna go around and paint everything, or stain it, however you wanna do it. It's just acrylic paint with a little bit of water, mixed really good. All right. Actually, because of how I'm gonna put this in there, I only have to paint 2 sides and the inside of these. I'll be back. Okay, so I got all 4 of these painted. Like I said, I only needed to paint 2 the outside edges and then the inside. So now what I'm gonna do is paint the inside, or stain the inside and 3 sides of these. And then I'll be back. Okay, so I got one of them done. I got the inside, I got the 2 sides, and then the top done. This is actually going to be at the top, on the top. So I had to do 3 sides. This one is going to be on the bottom. So all I'm going to need to do is paint the 2 sides and then the inside. Okay, so you can see I got the 2 sides done here and the whole inside. Next I'm going to paint this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got that all done. I think I'm going to go over just a few spots just to make sure. So this is corkboard, and I haven't decided if I'm actually going to keep it as a corkboard or if I am going to go ahead and paint it black so it looks like charcoal or chalkboard. There we go. I haven't decided yet, so I don't have to decide on that just yet, but here it is. All right, so let me go ahead and kind of give you an idea what this is going to look like. See how I have it up like that? All right, so I have Gorilla Super Glue here, and that's actually what I'm going to use to bind this stuff together. I know it's going to take time to dry, but I need to make sure it's nice and strong. If I can get the super glue out, I used it yesterday. Get it poked through the, there we go. So this part that is not stained, I'm putting it right on top, lining it up. All right. So this will take some time to heat or adhesive, But that's all right. We got time. And it would be best if you did this after you let the wood dry. Because so that is together. And actually I had it upside down. That's the side that's oh, keep on moving it. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this on top like that. And it looks really tall in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glue. There we go. So I'm going to let that dry. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, now that I see it, I need to at least paint half of this side, because when I stick it in here, I forgot, it sticks out. All right, and I want that, so I want that side done. And so the one's gonna be over here on this side, and the other one is gonna be over here. And so it's gonna have that laddered effects. It's gonna look really cool. Or step effect. And when I get to that point, I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't have a clamp, but I have these. So I am going to take this, and the glue, it's not super glue, it's actually just Gorilla Glue, clear Gorilla Glue. So I decided I am going to use my vice grips to hold that together. And it says it needs to cure for at least 2 hours. So I'm going to set this aside for 2 hours, and then I will be back to you with you and show you how I do these. I'm probably going to use the clear Gorilla Glue and super glue, just so I can show you a little bit faster of how I will be putting these. All right, be back. So everyone, this has been dried. Yeah, I can lift it up. No problem. Staying together. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to glue these to the bottom. This one. Like that. And then I'm going to glue this to the top. Kind of like that. Maybe about up a little bit. About like that. And then I'll be back to show you. So what I'm going to do is these bottom ones, I'm going to go ahead and use the Gorilla Glue and then and the super glue. So here it is all put together, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when it's full. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like. Now here it is completed. Now I'm gonna actually make a sign up there saying exactly what they need to do in order to make a cup of coffee. But isn't that cool? It turned out awesome.